2,200. Brazil is the one that produces about 40% of the whole coffee market in the world. Colombia is number 3. Estamos en plena cosecha de café de noviembre a febrero. Ahorita vamos a ir, ahorita que ellos desocupen allá, vamos a aquel lado y les muestro cómo es el proceso de recolección. Guys, do you know where coffee comes from? ¿Saben de dónde es originario el café? Finish 3, 5 in the afternoon. The word they use, long sleeves, rubber boots this big, this high I mean, long pants of course, wrap their faces, sometimes leaving open just the eyes due to all the insects that they can see there. And they go with that bucket around the hips, like this, bush after bush. Look at all the coffee bushes that are here. And this is just a few. The 5 hectares are on the other side. The berries grow in here. These ones don't have any because they picked them already. It starts as a white flower, then it becomes a green berry, then yellow berry, then red. When it's red, it's ready to be picked. If they see the 3 colors in there, they hand select the ripened red, leaf, green, and yellow berries on the branch until they ripen. Guys, they like crackers, bread.
Good thing's gonna feed you. You're gonna feed it, Rupert.
No.
Rupert. I've got one at home. So. Yeah. Are they tame? Do they go on the? Oh.
Yes. No. No. I don't think they will jump onto your unless you have a piece of bread in there or a cracker or something.
Have we got anything? I want to give him something. I feel a bit bad now. He's trying to.
You have something?
I wish I did. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. George. No. Just tried to get the phone.
All right, everyone. Right now, we're currently in the midst of the coffee / chocolate tour. Right now, we're just walking around here in Minca, looking at a few different things. Like I said, our guide is teaching us some different things about coffee and Colombia and all that those good things, as well as right now we're looking at a couple parrots up in a tree.
One more. Sorry.
It's okay. One for you? Okay. Guys, coffee at this state is called parchment coffee because the husk looks like parchment paper. If you husk it on your own, you can see how similar it is for those who know what parchment paper is. Yeah? In Spanish, café pergamino. In French, in German, no matter what language is going to get the same name in the language. So parchment coffee, café pergamino. Dehusking, this is the last dehusking you do.
Right now, my tour guide is really just showing you how they grind down some of the tea beans and get it ready for processing to eventually end up roasting the tea beans.
The parchment coffee beans, they go through those metals. The movement, the friction of metals breaks the husk without breaking the bean. One outlet for the husk, one outlet for the beans. That's how it is. Industrial way, artisanal way, pestle and mortar. Beating them as many times as needed during the process so the husk breaks. In this case, some beans break, but not many, just a few. They're very hard. So the ones that break are like the very small ones, or yeah. When it's ready, we take out everything from there, put it on a bowl here, and sift it out.
We're now like in a little coffee shop where this man who owns it, he actually sells some different types of coffee and things of that nature.
Guys, by the way, they sell their coffee here in case someone wants to buy something. 500 grams, 250, 200, 100. Both beans, ground, If you don't only like to drink coffee, but to shower with it also, they have coffee soap. Coffee Bailey, I will give you the taste later.
All right, we're now on the trail, walking towards, we're going towards a waterfall. So this is a long path that we're taking, like I say, as we continue the tour.
Suecia, Inglaterra, Nueva Zelanda, Brasil, Estados Unidos.
All right, we're finally here at the waterfall. Look at those great views of the waterfall. Look at everybody out here just having a good time, getting into the water, and just, chilling. As you can see, everyone is out here having a great time. I will say a warning about coming to Minca. You should, especially going here in the woods, definitely wear some long pants because the mosquitoes they have will definitely bite you and they leave marks that look almost like bruises. But other than that, like I say, this is just a great area, great little waterfall to hang out in, relax a little bit, bring a friend, chill, relax, just, take it all in, the scenery. And to talk about the backgrounds of the people on my particular group trip, we had some people from France. There were some other European countries, as well as we had one woman from Brazil. And we had a couple that was from New Zealand. And yeah, most of them, like I say, from actually Europe. That was on my trip, and I was actually the only American.
I'm riding out, I'm looking around. I got my pass, so you know that I'm down. You say that flight leaves at 10, but I will be there just to make sure I'm in the right mental state. Let's go. Mama was mommy, we dancing and prancing from the beach to forest. It's all good, I'm not from the hood. It's good for the exposure, it's good for some closure. Because when the trip is over, I will be searching for the next journey. Let's keep it real, I love the thrill.
All right, now we've gone ahead and left the waterfall, and now we're arriving here at the basically like a chocolate museum where we're gonna have like a little chocolate making class.
Time for the countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to open it up.
These towels you will need to dry your faces after you wash them from the cacao based face mask, and also after the hand scrub, and for the drink which will be hot. Me gusto. Como para estabilizar. Oh, pues si lo hace con las dos manos es mejor. Dale.
Ah, ¿puedo?
Sí, sí, claro.
Dale.
Muchas gracias. ¿Alguien más? ¿Nadie más quiere moler? ¿La compañera?
Yo sí insistís.
Argentina a la 2.
Argentina está a full.
Sí.
Argentina no sé si puede.
This is the end of the coffee/chocolate tour. We end up eventually washing our faces and wiping our faces down after the chocolate mascara. Like I say, now I'm about to show you a little bit about what Minca looks like at nighttime. But again, this is a very informative tour. We had a lot of different people from different places all around the world. And it was just a great experience. All right, here's my views from my hotel room that I had here in Minca. Like I said, you see the views are very great. You can definitely see in the distance, very relaxing. And here's the bed that I had. It's like I said, a king size bed. It's a nice size room, has a little desk area. Also, like I said, decent sized bathroom. The bathroom has a shower. one thing I didn't like about the room or the bathroom and overall was because the shower didn't have any hot water, as well as the hot tub that it had in there. It didn't have hot water. It was cold water, so that's definitely a big detriment. You know, I would have left a slight bad review, but like I say, I booked directly through the website, and I was never asked for a review.
I got it.
All right, I'm just now here on the main streets here in, I guess you would say, downtown Minca, just walking around, checking the sights out, looking at the different restaurants and different retail shops that they have, and just scoping the place out here in the evening here.
I'm riding out, I'm looking around. I got my pass, so you know that I'm down. You say that flight leaves at 10, but I will be there just to make sure I'm in the right mental state. Let's go. Mama was mommy, we dancing and prancing from the beach to forest. It's all good, I'm not from the hood. It's good for the exposure, it's good for some closure. Because when the trip is over, I will be searching for the next journey. Let's keep it real, I love the thrill.
Dennis, tour.
As you can see from the scenery, you can tell that, you know, Minca's just a small little tranquilo town. Like I say, Pueblo and Colombia. Like I say, there's, you know, several little restaurants, you know, small little area, good place to, you know, just come relax, chill for a couple of days. You know, good for backpackers, good for people that's just looking to, you know, get off the beaten path and try something different. So, you know, it's a beautiful place. You know, there's some things to do for a couple of good days. Also, like I say, it's about 45-minute ride away from Santa Marta, which is right by the coast, right on the at the beach. So it's, you know, got a good proximity in terms of location. Just like I say, it's a good place for a little weekend trip here in Minca. You can do Minca as well as go to Santa Marta and spend a couple of days. You can stay in Minca, or you can even stay in Santa Marta and commute to Minca, you know, if you're trying to look to do a little day trip. So you have a lot of different options, different variety of things you can do. And it's a good little tranquilo place, like I say, just to, you know, see the real Colombia. I hope to see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, share, and comment. Process the journey. Goodbye.
Rock with me now, flow with me now. The future is so bright, don't get caught up as blaring headlights.